What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to make a quick video. I apologize for my voice or if I got any boogers in my nose, because we're still getting over a virus over here, and we're just at the point now where we're taking some meds to alleviate the symptoms and then just driving on because I've had too many days this week of doing nothing. But just got done cutting the lawn, and I wanted to show you this little striping attachment that I made for it. So I got some 4-inch PVC that I had left over from, I think, doing dust collection in the shop. And then I've got some chain here hooked to it with some carabiners. I basically just put a block of wood on the inside here, screwed into it, and then cut end caps and screwed into that block of wood, and just filled it with gravel. You could use sand, but I don't have like super sealed edges, so the sand would fall out. So I used gravel. It was about 10 minutes of work, maybe, I don't know, $15 of material. Sorry if it's windy. It's always windy here. I swear we're in the most windy part of North Carolina other than the beach, but here are the results. Looks pretty good to me for 10 minutes of work. Definitely more pronounced striping. Super happy with it, and I can just easily take it off if I don't want it. So I think the striping kit Toro offers is like 150 bucks. Just my personal opinion. No, I'll never spend that money, but that's sweet right there. So that's it. Just wanted to share that. If you're into striping your lawn, I know some folks are and some folks aren't. So if it's your thing and you got a push mower, make you a little thing out of PVC. Too easy. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.